Hi all, in this video we are going to discuss on how to install Seqrite Endpoint Security Client remotely. For remote installation, first we need to log into Seqrite Endpoint Security Console. So I have the EPS console page with me. I am logging in using my username and password. So enter the username and password here and log in. You can see I have landed into the dashboard of the product. From here, I can move to clients. In clients, I can find client deployment. In client deployment, you can see remote install. Click on remote install. When you click on remote install, it will provide you multiple options. One option is to search for the endpoint. So for a computer, particularly in the network, if you want to search for one computer, that can be computer XYZ, that you can search in the network using this option. If you are part of one network, it's going to display you the network places. When you click on this plus button, it would provide you the network places where you can find multiple computers inside your network, so that you can select that computer for installation. If you are not getting any computers listed in network places, then you can make use of this add option. So one is add by IP address, or you can see this add option by selecting the computer or using IP address. So now I'm selecting add by IP address and select the range. For example, you have 192.168, then 1.10 to 192.168, 1.20. If that's the IP range that you want to enter, that you select, and under which group you want to manage those clients. So in my EPS console, I can have default group and the other groups I created earlier. So I am managing it in default only. So I am choosing default. I'm clicking OK, so that IPs would be installed and installed with EPS client and will be moved into default group. And while adding it, you can add their user account. You can even provide the username and password. So I'm adding admin and their password over here and click on OK. Then you can click on finish. Later, those IPs would be added over here. You can click on one or multiple in this way, and you can click on install to initiate the installation remotely. So this is the process that you need to follow for installation. Before initiating installation, please make sure that the client computers are enabled with administrator accounts and they have a password enabled with their account. Without that, we cannot go ahead with the installation. The entire prerequisites of installation is also listed over here, so you can make use of that. Thank you for watching this video.